my name is Yusuf Suleiman. In this video, I will show you strategies on how to make money with crypto. If you are wondering how to make money with cryptocurrency, stay tight as strategies for making money with cryptocurrency lies within these three mechanisms. But before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification buttons for more videos on how to make money online. The three mechanisms of making money with cryptocurrency are: 1. You can invest or trade in the crypto exchange market. You can do this without even owning any crypto yourself. Secondly, you can use the coin you have to stake or lend to the system or other users. And thirdly, you can participate in the blockchain system by mining or receiving coin reward for work done in the system. Based on these three mechanisms, here are 6 strategies you can make money with cryptocurrency. Number 1, investing. Investing is a long-term strategy of buying and holding crypto assets for some time. Number 2 is trading. The crypto market is volatile, so this means the price of assets can increase and decrease within short period of time. But to be a successful trader, you need to have a proper analytical and technical skills. Number 3 is staking and lending. Staking is a way of validating crypto transaction. If you are staking, you own a coin but don't want to use it. Instead, you lock the coin in a cryptocurrency wallet. A proof of stake network then uses your coin to validate transactions. You receive a reward for that. This is like getting a reward for deposit in your bank account. Number 4, crypto social media. Multiple blockchain social media platforms will reward you for creating content on their platforms. They will reward you with their native coins. Number 5, mining. Cryptocurrency mining is like making money with cryptocurrency like the original pioneers. If you mine cryptocurrency, you are rewarded with new coins. Number 6, airdrops and forks. Airdrops is a free tokens that are distributed to generate awareness. An exchange might do an airdrop to create large user-based proof. Being part of an airdrop can earn you a free coin you can use to trade or invest. These are simple strategies you can make a lot of money on cryptocurrency market.